Pat Ogidi here, and in this short tutorial, I'm going to be helping you solve a major problem almost every mini importer has been experiencing, all right, in recent time, and that is how to search for products on System88. As you may already know, System88 prides itself as a platform that sells things way cheaper than AliExpress and Alibaba, all right. But the only downside here is the site is written in Chinese language. That means if you don't know Chinese, you can't, easily just surf around the site. But there's a way out. Okay. Not until recently, the only way people search on this platform is to access the site from their Google Chrome on their PC, and then translate to English, and then they'll be able to surf through the site somehow. But the downside of that system, the strategy, is that it's a computer generated translation, meaning if you key something like Blender, for example, it might be throwing up something that means Blender, some other type of blenders different from the one you were searching for. All right, but I've been able to solve that totally for you in this video. How? Okay, if you want to search for a product, you use what I call image search. It's actually a feature on this platform many people do not know. All right, using an image, you can search directly the product you're looking for. The product, just upload the image, and the website shows you lots of stores that are selling that product, so you can start surfing and comparing prices and contacting them. How awesome is that? So let's go directly and show you how this can be done by anybody. Okay, first of all, you go to a known place like AliExpress, where you search for the product and get a picture. Let me say I want to search for okay, let's go with the rechargeable blender. Okay, let me say rechargeable blender. All right, okay, this is exactly the rechargeable blender I'm looking for. So I open it up to grab the image. Now, in grabbing the image of the product you want to search for, make sure the image alone is what's standing there and is standing on a white background. All right, not some black background or have some other pictures of people or something. No, you don't need that at this point. You just need the image of the product on a white background. So what you do here next is to right click, and then we'll save. Okay, let me save it as Blender. Okay, I save it somewhere on my PC as Blender, and then I've just saved it on my PC as Blender. The next thing I'll do is to go over to 1688.com, and this is the homepage of 1688.com, right? If you access 1688.com from your PC, you should be able to see on this set box here, you should be able to see this little clever, intelligent logo icon here, the camera icon, right? You should be able to see it here. And if you're not able to see it, I think if you're not able to see it, if you're using a PC, a phone, it might be difficult for you to see this. You might not see that. And in that case, what you need to do is to access it on a Chrome browser on your Android phone or your iOS phones. Android phone, iOS phone. Make sure you have a Chrome browser. Then access it there, and just at the right hand side of your browser. Okay, at the right hand side of the browser, there's on the right hand top side of your browser, there is a three dots there. There's something like three dots there. Click on that three dots and then choose show in desktop mode, something like that. So when you choose show in desktop mode, you will start accessing 1688 as if you're on desktop. At that point you should be able to see this logo there. All right, I mean, if you're using a PC, ordinarily you wouldn't see this logo. A phone, ordinarily you won't see this logo. So you have to access the 1688 platform on your on a Chrome browser on your phone, and then look at the right top. You'll see three dots. Just click on those three dots. There should be a drop down. Then choose something like switch to desktop mode, whatever, something like that in that line, desktop mode. Click on it, and you should be able to see this see this logo on your 1688 platform. So I'm assuming you've seen the logo, so let's go ahead searching for the product. All right, now what I will need to do first is to type the rechargeable blender here and see if we will get exactly what we're looking for. So I just search for rechargeable blender. Let's see what 1688 has to throw up for us. Okay, as you can see, there's no rechargeable blender here. They are giving us some error messages there, nothing found. Like if you translate this now, you will see that we didn't find exactly what we're looking for. Okay, now, and if you look at the pictures they are suggesting, it is some other type of blenders, which is not the type I'm looking for, the type we want to buy, which is not this type. Okay, so if you search for rechargeable blender directly here, it might be difficult for you to get that. But how then? By using this strategy I'm about showing you right now. That the next one is that you click on this the icon, the camera icon, and then you browse that product. These are blender product, and then you open it. Then you open it, don't click on anything, just wait. Depending on how fast your connection is, you should be able to now search. As you can see, it's searching and it's throwing up results for us. Now let's watch what happens. As you can see, there are tons and tons of this product thrown up for us on search button. Exactly the same product we are looking for. So this is a strategy to search on 1688 and be able, to get exactly what you are looking for without having to guess and waste all your time. It's a very super awesome strategy I ran into and I've been using for over a year now, and I thought I should just share with you. Okay, if you don't know much about 1688, you can contact me and then we can take it off from there. But then this video is about showing you how to search on 1688. I hope you make out something out of it. If you do, let me know. Thank you.